Now, to respond, I didn't know, not even a response. I just got a question. Why is it that, like, okay, I'm a black man. God knows I love my black women. But, like, okay, black men, please, raise your standards. Don't be hooking up with these fat white chicks, man. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, I know they sound petty as hell, and I know it sound cruel and it sound callous, but you gotta sit there and think about it. You know what I'm saying? You know how many of us were slaughtered and killed to get over here? You know what I'm saying? And thousands of years, hundreds and hundreds of years later, you sit there and settle for a fat white chick. You know what I'm saying? That does her damnedest to try to sound like a black chick. Now, don't get it confused. I done seen some white girls that's decent. I done seen some that's thick, but some of them that's just way over the line. I mean, damn. If you gotta lift the chick's belly up to get to it, brother, you gotta trade up. If you ain't got kids with her, it's time for you to move on. If you got kids with her, try to make it work. Throw some hints at her. You know what I'm saying? Tell her to back away from the dinner table. Y'all work out together. Make it incentive or some shit. It's like, okay, you lose more pounds, we can have more sex. You know what I'm saying? Make an incentive. You know what I mean? I know that sounds callous, but it's just honest. I mean, what's up with that, yo? For real. But, and and for these Latin chicks, dude, don't go to these Spanish hoes, man. I know that sound mean, but Puerto Rican bitches are the worst. Cuban bitches are the worst. Dominican hoes, they the worst. You know what I'm saying? Get yourself a black chick. Try to tell her, look, I'm pursued every day. And don't sound conceited about it. Just do you, and the right black chick gonna come your way. I'm serious on that, man. I'm serious. You know what I'm saying? For real. Just please, don't settle, yo. You know what I'm saying? Don't settle. Peace.